By the end of the video, we'll know about how to incorporate a bicycle kick workout into your fitness routine to enhance agility and strength. The bicycle kick, known for its spectacular nature on the soccer field, isn't just for show. It's a powerful exercise that can boost your athleticism and core strength. To master this move, you need a combination of flexibility, explosive power, and precise coordination. Here's a breakdown of how to integrate a bicycle kick workout effectively. Warm-up and stretching. Begin with a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles for the dynamic movements ahead. Focus on loosening your hip flexors, hamstrings, and lower back, as these areas are crucial for executing the bicycle kick with fluidity and reduced risk of injury. Technique practice. Start by practicing the bicycle kick technique on the ground before attempting it in the air. Lie on your back and simulate the kicking motion, ensuring your legs and core are engaged throughout. Gradually increase the speed and fluidity of your movements as you gain confidence. Progression to airborne kicks. Once comfortable with the ground technique, move on to performing the bicycle kick in the air. Find a soft surface or use a crash mat to practice landing safely. Focus on explosive leg extension and precise timing to make clean contact with the ball or target. Incorporating into workouts. Integrate the bicycle kick workout into your regular fitness routine as a plyometric exercise. Aim for sets of controlled repetitions, gradually increasing intensity and height as your strength improves. This exercise not only enhances lower body power, but also improves balance and coordination. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. In summary, mastering the bicycle kick requires dedication and practice, but the benefits to your agility and strength are worth it. Remember to start slow, focus on technique, and gradually increase the challenge. Whether you're a soccer enthusiast or simply looking to spice up your workout routine, the bicycle kick is a dynamic addition that will elevate your fitness level and impress on the field.